Mino, a digital personal amplifier from Bellman and Symfon. Getting started. Before we start, make sure Mino is charged. I will explain later how it's done. Start by connecting your preferred listening accessory. In this case, I'm using a pair of headphones. Just connect the telejack plug into the output socket here. Press the on-off button to turn it on and put on the headphones. That's all you need to do to enjoy better hearing with Mino. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of your Mino, please continue watching and I will guide you step by step. Adjust volume and tone. To start the device, simply press the on-off button here. It normally starts up in microphone mode. You can increase the volume by pressing the volume up button here and decrease it by pressing the volume down button here. The current volume is indicated here. Mino is equipped with a tone control where you can adjust the amount of treble. Press the right tone button to increase the treble and decrease it by pressing the left tone button here. The current level is indicated here. Select microphone. Mino has two different microphones. One omnidirectional, to use in fairly quiet environments, and one directional microphone to use in noisy environments. The green light shows that Mino is currently using the omnidirectional microphone. By pressing the mic button, you can switch to the directional microphone at any time. This is shown by an orange light. To switch back to the omnidirectional microphone, just press the mic button again, and the light will switch back to green. Other features. Mino also features a telecoil, so you can hear in venues that are equipped with a loop system. Simply press the T button to activate the telecoil. If you want Mino to enhance the sound of your TV, radio or stereo system, you can connect it with a cord here. The yellow jack here is used for charging. The charger pin has the same yellow color. On the back, there is a clip that you can use to attach Mino to the belt or a sleeve. Listening with the built-in microphones. When you turn the device on, the omnidirectional microphone is selected by default, indicated by the green light here. The microphone is used in fairly quiet surroundings, like, for instance, around the breakfast table. The advanced digital algorithm will automatically recognize and amplify speech, and at the same time filter out unwanted background noise. This to create the best possible speech recognition at all times. Mino is also equipped with a directional microphone, indicated with the orange light here. This microphone is used in noisy environments, like, for instance, in busy restaurants or in the car. Just point Mino to the person talking, and it will automatically enhance speech coming from the front and reduce the unwanted noise around you. Listening with Telecoil. Many public venues, such as theatres, concert halls and churches, are fitted with loop systems. In these venues, Mino captures the sound from the orchestra, movie or speaker with the built-in telecoil. Just press the T button here to activate the telecoil. These venues are marked with a T symbol. Look for a sign with a T symbol next time you visit your favorite movie theatre or concert hall. listening to the TV or radio. Now I will show you how to connect Mino to the TV. For this, you will need a regular audio cable, which can be purchased separately. Just connect the 2.5mm stereo jack plug into the line-in jack here. The red and white phono contacts are connected to the audio out on your TV. These are normally found on the back of your TV. Using the MicroSet. The MicroSet is an accessory specially developed for Mino. It consists of a lapel microphone and an earbud. Just connect the MicroSet to the headphone socket here. Now the internal microphones will be deactivated and the sound will instead be picked up by the lapel microphone. So, let's tuck away Mino in the pocket. Clip the lapel microphone to the sleeve and pop the earbud in the ear. Now you have a very discreet solution. Using Mino with your hearing aids. Mino is a perfect complement to hearing aids and cochlear implants in situations with a lot of background noise, where it can be hard to otherwise distinguish speech. Mino will clarify speech further and filter out disturbing background noise before it reaches the hearing aid or cochlear implant. This means you don't have to make such an effort to hear. To use Mino with hearing aids or cochlear implants, you will need a neck loop. Just connect the 3.5mm telejack plug into the output socket here. Then place the neck loop around your neck and clip it to your clothes, like this. Now, switch your hearing aids to T mode, and the sound will be transmitted wirelessly to your hearing aids. Charging the battery. Mino comes with a universal charger. The charging socket is located on the side here, marked in yellow. The charging pin is also yellow. Just connect it to the charging socket here. Then connect the other side to the mains power. Note that this is a European wall socket, and appearance may differ with territory. Customizing your Mino. Introduction. There are many opportunities to customize Mino. Now I will show you how to access the Advanced Settings menu where the customization is done. Since you don't want to enter it by accident, we have made it a bit tricky to activate. Here is how you do it. Accessing the menu. First, make sure your Mino is on. Then, press and hold the on-off button and the volume down button simultaneously. Release both buttons and the light here will start to blink. Now, press and hold the T button for 3 to 4 seconds, then release. The Advanced Settings menu is now activated. Basic navigation. Use the T button and the mic button to navigate back and forth in the menu. Your custom settings are clearly displayed by the LED indicators here. 1. Balance control. The balance control sets the balance between the left and right ear. This is used to compensate for a more severe hearing loss in one ear. Use the right tone button to gradually move the focus of the sound to the right ear, and the left tone button to move the focus of the sound to the left ear. The default setting is center. To move to the next setting, press the T button once. 2. Basic attenuation. The basic attenuation is used to trim the output volume to match the sensitivity of a particular hearing accessory. It is also used for limiting the maximum output volume for a child. Use the left tone button to reduce the volume, and the right tone button to increase it in steps of 3 dB. To move to the next setting, press the T button once. 3. Stereo, mono. The line-in signal can be rendered in either stereo or mono. In certain listening situations, for instance when you are watching TV, the speech intelligibility will actually increase when you listen in mono. Press the volume down button to select mono. Press the volume up button to select stereo. The default setting is stereo. To move to the next setting, press the T button again. 4. Bass reduction. Bass reduction is used to minimize the low-frequency interference that can be generated by, for example, fans, traffic or roads. Sounds that can otherwise become very tiring over time. Just press the volume up button to reduce the amplification of low-frequency sounds. To move to the next setting, just press the T button. 5 to 6. Tone control blocking and tone control preset. The next setting, tone control blocking, is used to deactivate the tone control buttons. When you deactivate the buttons, you can choose a tone preset. Press the volume down button to deactivate the tone control buttons, and the volume up button to activate them. Adjust your preferred tone setting with the left and right tone buttons. To move to the next setting, press the T button again. 7. Disable telecoil. Here, you can disable the telecoil. Perhaps you rarely visit venues with loop systems, or just want to have less buttons to worry about. Press the volume down button to disable the telecoil, and the light here will start to pulsate. Press the volume up button to activate the telecoil again, which is indicated here. To move to the next setting, press the T button again. 8. Reset to factory default. Here, you can reset the device to the factory default settings. To reset it to factory default, press and hold down the plus button here until all lights are lit. When all the lights are fully lit, they will flash to confirm. To move to the next setting, press the T button. 9. Software revision. This section is for product service purposes only and shows the current software revision. Now press the T button again, and you are back to where we started. To save your settings, just switch off the device and turn it back on.